New Jersey makes it easy to file an LLC, then surrounds it with admin work most people don't expect. That's where momentum dies. I'm Bethany from Biz Builders, and if you're starting an LLC in New Jersey in 2026 without a lawyer, this is the reality you need to understand up front. Because New Jersey doesn't block you at the door. It slows you down after you're inside. Why New Jersey feels easy at first. The formation step is clean. Online filing works. Approval is fast. The process feels straightforward, so founders think, all right, that part was simple. And it was. But New Jersey isn't a form it and move on state. It's an administration-heavy state, where the admin pileup starts. After approval, New Jersey expects you to stay in sync with multiple requirements at once. Business registration steps beyond formation, state-level admin updates, ongoing compliance tasks that aren't optional. None of these feel urgent individually. Together, they slow everything down. That's the New Jersey effect. How people feel it later. This is how it usually shows up. Extra forms just to stay active. Confusion about what's already been done. Time wasted checking portals and emails. Simple tasks taking longer than expected. Nothing explodes, but progress becomes administrative instead of operational. The right way to handle New Jersey. Short. If you want to avoid admin drag, you need structure from day one. 1. Choose your business name. 2. Appoint a registered agent with a physical New Jersey address. 3. File your certificate of formation. 4. Get your EIN. 5. Complete New Jersey's required post-formation registrations. 6. Track compliance tasks instead of reacting to them. 7. Open and maintain your business bank account. New Jersey rewards organization, not improvisation. Why this costs time and money. When admin stacks up, decisions slow, focus drops, simple actions take longer, and over time that friction costs more than the filing fee ever did. Why I don't manage this manually. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands for New Jersey. Not because filing is hard, but because administration compounds if you don't centralize it. They help with registered agent filing, EIN compliance reminders, keeping everything organized, banking prep. If you want this handled properly without guessing, I've put the link in the description. Cost, keeping it real. Through our partnership, you can start for $0 plus New Jersey state fees. Same filing cost, less admin drag. Final line, New Jersey won't stop you from starting, but if you don't respect the admin load, it'll slow you down every step after. Handle it cleanly, and the state becomes manageable. I'll see you in the next one.